Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I am David. How are you today? I hope you are feeling great.
And I am Alice. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, everyone. We are so happy you're here with us today.
Today, we have a very fun and very useful topic. We are going to talk about food. Yes, food. Everyone loves food, right, Alice?
Oh, yes, food is my favorite topic, especially when we go to a restaurant. But sometimes ordering food in English can be a little scary, am I right?
Yes, exactly. If you are learning English, going to a restaurant and speaking to a waiter in English can feel a little difficult. But don't worry. After today, you will feel confident. I promise.
Yes, today David and I will teach you exactly what to say in a restaurant. We will give you real sentences, simple sentences, easy to remember.
But before we start, if you are new here, welcome. Please click the subscribe button, and if you enjoy this video, give us a thumbs up. It really helps us a lot. Are you ready, Alice?
I am ready. Let's go.
Okay, imagine this. You and your friend walk into a restaurant. Maybe it is a nice restaurant. You open the door, you walk inside, and then a waiter comes to you. What do they say?
The waiter will usually say, "Good evening. Do you have a reservation?" A reservation means you called the restaurant before and saved a table, like a booking.
Yes, so if you have a reservation, you say, "Yes, I have a reservation. My name is David." Simple, easy, just say yes and your name.
And if you do not have a reservation, don't worry. You say, "No, I don't have a reservation, but do you have a table for two?"
A table for two. That means a table for two people. If you are three people, you say, "A table for three, please." If you are alone, and sometimes eating alone is very peaceful, right? You say, "A table for one, please."
Yes, I sometimes eat alone and I love it. Just me and my food. So let me repeat those key phrases slowly. Listen carefully. Do you have a reservation? Yes, I have a reservation. My name is... No, I don't have a reservation. A table for two, please.
Now, the waiter takes you to your table. They give you a menu. A menu, that is the list of food and drinks. The waiter might say, "Here is your menu. I'll be back in a moment." That means the waiter will come back soon to take your order.
And your job right now, look at the menu. Look at the food. Think about what you want to eat and maybe ask a question if something is not clear. David, how do you ask about the menu?
Good question. You can say, "Excuse me, what is this?" Or, "What does this dish come with?" That means what food comes with this meal. For example, does the chicken come with rice? Does the soup come with bread?
You can also ask, is this spicy? Very important. I do not like very spicy food. Once I ordered something and it was so spicy, I was crying at the table.
Oh no. Yes, always ask, "Is this spicy?" The waiter will say yes or no. Perfect. Now, let's talk about ordering your food. Okay, this is the most important part. The waiter comes back and says, "Are you ready to order?" This is your moment. You looked at the menu, you know what you want. What do you say?
The most common and polite way is "I would like," or the short form "I'd like." This is a very polite and natural way to order. For example, "I'd like the grilled chicken, please."
Yes, "I'd like" is perfect. You can also say "I'll have." For example, "I'll have the pasta, please." Both are natural, both are polite, both are correct.
Let me say them slowly one more time. Ready? I would like the grilled chicken. I'd like the pasta. I'll have the soup, please. Now you try. Say it with me. I'd like the...
Yes, say it out loud. Even if you are at home, say it. It really helps. Say, "I'd like the chicken, please." Good job. I can hear you from here.
Now, a common mistake many learners make is saying, "I want the chicken." Now, this is not wrong. It can sometimes sound a little rude. It depends on the tone. So it is much safer and more polite to say, "I'd like the chicken."
Yes, that is a great tip, David. So always remember, use "I'd like" or "I'll have" when you order, not just "I want." Okay? Don't sound rude when you are hungry.
Exactly. Now, most restaurants have different parts of the meal. In English, we call them the starter, the main course, and the dessert.
A starter is the small dish at the beginning, like a soup or a salad. The main course is the big dish, your main food, like steak, pasta, or fish. And the dessert is the sweet food at the end, like cake or ice cream, my favorite part.
So the waiter might ask, "Would you like a starter?" And you can say, "Yes, I'd like the tomato soup, please." Or, "No, thank you, I'll go straight to the main course."
Very good. Now let's talk about drinks. The waiter will often ask about drinks first. They might say, "What can I get you to drink?" Or, "Would you like something to drink?"
You can answer simply. Say, "I'd like a glass of water, please." Or, "Could I have a coffee, please?" Oh, "could I have" is another great phrase, very polite.
Could I have is very British and very polite. In the UK, people say this all the time. Could I have a cup of tea, please? Very natural.
And notice we always add please at the end. This is very important in English. Please makes everything more polite. The waiter will like you more.
Now, sometimes the waiter will ask still or sparkling water. Still water, that is normal water. Sparkling water is water with bubbles like a fizzy drink. Do you like sparkling water, David? I don't like sparkling water, actually. It feels strange in my mouth. So I always say still water, please.
I love sparkling water. So I say sparkling, please. Simple. Okay, everyone, say it with us. Still water, please. Good. Now, sparkling water, please. Excellent.
Now, this part is very important. Sometimes people cannot eat certain foods. Maybe they are allergic. An allergy means if you eat this food, your body has a bad reaction. It can be very dangerous.
Common allergies in English include nuts, dairy, that means milk and cheese, gluten, that is in bread and pasta, and shellfish like shrimp or prawns. So how do you tell the waiter about an allergy?
You say, "I'm allergic to nuts," or "I can't eat dairy." Or more formally, "Does this dish contain nuts?" The waiter will check for you. Always tell the waiter. It is very important for your health.
Also, some people are vegetarian. That means they don't eat meat. Or vegan. That means no meat, no fish, no dairy, no eggs. In a restaurant, you can say, "I'm vegetarian. Do you have vegetarian options?"
And for special requests, maybe you don't want something in your food. You can say, "Could I have it without onions, please?" Or, "Can I have the dressing on the side?" That means put the sauce separately, not on the food. I always do this with salad.
Me too. And most restaurants are very happy to help. Just be polite and say please. Restaurants want you to enjoy your meal, so don't be shy.
Okay, the food arrives. The waiter puts the plate in front of you. Sometimes the waiter will ask, "Is everything okay with your meal?" Or, "How is everything?"
If the food is delicious, and I hope it is, you say, "It's delicious, thank you." Or, "Everything is great, thank you." The waiter will be very happy.
And what if there's a problem? Maybe your food is cold. Maybe you ordered something and they brought the wrong dish. What do you say?
Don't panic, stay calm. When the waiter comes, politely say, "Excuse me, I think there's a mistake. I ordered the chicken, but this is the beef." Just be calm and polite. Most waiters will fix the problem quickly.
Or if your food is cold, you can say, "Excuse me, my food is a little cold. Could you warm it up, please?" Again, polite, calm, and always add please. The magic word.
And if you need something during the meal, more water, more bread, or a napkin, you call the waiter and say, "Excuse me, could I have some more water, please?"
To call the waiter, you say, "Excuse me," not "hey" or "oi." That is not polite. Always excuse me. It is polite in English. Very important.
You finished your meal. You are full and happy. Now it is time to pay. How do you ask for the bill?
Simple. You say, "Could we have the bill, please?" Or, "Can I have the check, please?" Now, bill is more British English. Check is more American English. Both are understood everywhere. Use either one.
In the UK, we say bill. In the USA, they say check. Interesting, right? Same meaning, different word. English is funny sometimes.
And you might see a bit of tax on the bill. It is always good to be polite and kind. Say thank you very much to your waiter. They worked hard for you. A simple thank you makes a big difference. Now let's put everything together. We will show you a full restaurant conversation from start to finish. Listen carefully. Imagine you are the customer. Ready? Good evening. Welcome. Do you have a reservation?
No, I don't have a reservation, but do you have a table for two, please?
Of course. Please follow me. Here is your table, and here is the menu. Can I get you something to drink to start?
Yes, please. I'd like a glass of water. Still water, please.
Of course. And are you ready to order your food?
Yes, I'd like the grilled salmon, please. And could I have the salad on the side? I'm also allergic to nuts. Does the salmon contain any nuts?
No, no nuts at all. It is completely nut-free. Great choice. And for the starter, would you like the soup?
No, thank you. I'll go straight to the main course.
Later. Here is your salmon. How is everything?
It's absolutely delicious. Thank you so much.
Later. Can I get you anything else? Dessert?
No, thank you. Could we have the bill, please?
Of course. How would you like to pay?
By card, please. Thank you very much. The food was wonderful.
Perfect. Ha! Did you hear that? That was a complete restaurant conversation, from walking in to paying the bill. It wasn't so scary, was it?
Not scary at all. And notice we used the same phrases we practiced earlier. I'd like, could I have, excuse me, could we have the bill? The same simple phrases used again and again.
Okay, let's do a quick review together. I will ask Elise some questions, and you, listening at home, you can also try to answer. Ready? First question. How do you ask for a table for two?
Easy. You say, a table for two, please. Did you get that right? Good job.
Next question. How do you order food politely in English?
You say, I'd like or I'll have with please at the end, not just I want. Remember?
Good. One more question. How do you ask for the bill?
Could we have the bill, please? In British English, bill. In American English, check. Both are correct. Did you remember? I hope so.
Excellent. You are doing so well. Now, one last tip. When you are in a real restaurant, it is okay to feel a little nervous. That is completely normal. Even experienced English speakers sometimes forget the exact words.
The most important thing is try. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are how we learn. The waiter will always try to help you. And if you smile and say please, everyone is very kind, I promise.
Yes, and you know what? Every single time you speak English, even one small sentence, you are getting better. Every time. So be proud of yourself. You are here, you are learning. That is already amazing.
Aw, David, that was so kind. I agree completely. You are all doing a great job. Keep going.
Okay, everyone, we are almost at the end of today's video. Let's quickly go through all the phrases we learned today one final time. Say them with us. Ready?
Ready. A table for two, please. Are you ready to order? I'd like the chicken, please. I'll have the pasta. Could I have some water? Is this spicy? I'm allergic to nuts. Could we have the bill, please? By card, please. That is a lot of phrases.
But you know all of them now, and the more you practice, the easier it becomes. Try watching this video again, or even better, next time you go to a restaurant, try using these phrases. Even in your own language, try to think in English.
And we want to hear from you. We have a question for you in the comments. Are you ready? Here it is. What is your favorite meal? Tell us in the comments below. Write in English, even 1 or 2 words. It's good practice.
My favorite meal? Grilled chicken with rice and salad. Simple but delicious. Ha! What about you, Elise?
Oh, my favorite is pasta with lots of cheese. I love cheese so much. Actually, can I have pasta and dessert?
Of course, it's your treat. Ha! Okay, everyone, thank you so much for watching today. We really hope this video helped you feel more confident about ordering food in English.
If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow. And if you're new here, welcome to the family. Please subscribe so you never miss our videos. We upload new English lessons every week.
And don't forget, leave your favorite meal in the comments below. We read every single comment. We love hearing from you. Your English is getting better every day. Keep going. Don't give up.
Thank you for learning with us today. See you in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye. Take care and enjoy your next restaurant meal in English. Ha!